if a bear doesn't come in the middle of the night, which I hope they don't, then I'll see you in the morning. No bears got me last night. Morning perspective. This was a great little trail. Okay, we are in the middle of the forest, but I think I have found my camping spot. Just need to turn around. Okay, let's go see it. It wasn't very far from here. It's kind of a cool, there it is right there. I think there's a relatively flat area here. Okay, we got to get the tent going. So, tent first. Other stuff after. Well, there's a couple of things that I learned. So we are in a burn ban. So no fires. Which I'm okay with. I could use just to chill tonight. Just chilling. I did bring a warm sleeping bag though. So I should be fine. We are up in elevation. I want to say we're 6,200 feet. So it is, you know, much cooler than what was originally thinking. But I think we will be fine. I did not bring any sweaters. All I have is my riding jacket and got some track pants that I'll probably sleep in. That's what I don't like about my blue one. It's not as easy as this. This is so easy. I forgot how great this tent is and how easy it is to put up. Now, I am a wee bit nervous about rain tonight. So, we are going to put the fly on. It'd be so cool not to, but I think that'd be smart to do it. There is some wind, so we will need to tie this thing down. Oh yeah, we got wind all right. Time to get out of these things. Dusty. Dusty. Getting dark. I got set up here, had dinner, and then was just feeling a little chilly. Got a bit of a chill, I guess, kind of sitting out there. So, going to give you a view of this, which is got my stuff in here. Jacket's there. What's everything all over there? I'm tired. I was up around 5 this morning. Get all my stuff right. I don't think I left until maybe 10 o'clock, 10:30, and then rode until probably around 4 or 5. Anyways, set up here in this wonderful place. So I just checked my phone. I do have signal, and tomorrow morning I do need to go in and get some gas before I head back to Phoenix. So it's about a 45-minute ride into Prescott. I think I've got about 15 minutes while on these kind of single track trails to get out of here, and then I'll be on like a gravel road. I'll be back on the Senator's Highway, and then head into town, get some gas. I don't think I'll need any more supplies, and then probably gonna head back. But that's really kind of it. So if a bear doesn't come in the middle of the night, which I hope they don't, then I'll see you in the morning. Okay, good morning. No bears got me last night. So the plan is to wake up, make some coffee, something to eat, pack up, and then we're going to head back. We got coffee brewing. Morning perspective. Sun just came up over the mountains. It's around 6:30 right now. Maybe 6. Probably only 6 actually. Around 5. Beautiful night. Lots of wind though. I forgot to bring a hat, so I'm making do with this. Okay, is my coffee ready? Coffee's ready. AeroPress camping. Does make probably the best coffee, I find. Especially when camping. Cheers. Oh, that's good coffee. Love it. So in case anyone's wondering what I do, so I use a product called Vessel, which is my portable grinder, VSSL. And, it's a typical grinder, hand grinder that you get. The difference is, though, is that it packs up really small. So the handle, all the handle is unscrews like that. I've got a little knob that you can put on there as well, but I was just grinding it this morning using that. And like any of them, put your coffee in there, your grinds, and you grind them. But like I said, it packs up really small. So it's great for, camping trips, moto camping trips. And then when you're done with it, I just stick it back in its little bag. And that's what travels. So it's this, my little AeroPress Go, and then, a little Ziploc of coffee grinds. That's my coffee routine, and then something to boil water with. All packed up, ready to go. Campsite's clean. This is a great location. No bears. Of course, Chris sent me this morning a news clip about a bear attack in this area from a couple of years ago. And I'm like, I didn't want to see that. So, let's get out of here. Let's give you a glimpse of what I came in through. So, this was a great little trail. So it's nice coming here because then you know there really isn't anyone doing any car camping out here. So, because there was just so much traffic. So, I think this is the road. Yeah. So I missed this one coming up. I took like an alternate one that was over there. Which was a little bit challenging. Yeah. This seems much more docile. I say that as I'm about to do a hill climb. Oh yeah, nice and easy. I've had 2 coffee, I've had breakfast. I don't think I need any more. But I do not remember coming up this way. Oh yeah, I did. Oh no. Ah, that's where it split. Is this where it split off? Oh yeah, there was that little place there. I thought about camping at. There was so many little places. Oh. I do like the fact though that I got further up there because I just didn't want to be disturbed by anyone. There's a trail there. I thought about going and checking that out, but didn't bother. And I think I'm going to keep recording on the way out of this area so that you guys can see just what else there was. So here, now we're on the main road. Okay. This is one of the side roads that's for, I guess is up in this area that's off of Senators Highway, where there is dispersed camping. They've got like sites identified. As we come out of here, I'll point them out to you. You know, to be totally honest, this is really cool. If I lived in Prescott, I'd definitely be coming out here. I think it gets busy. Like from what I was able to see, this was a Saturday night. See, these guys are all having fun. Look at this, yeah. Like all these people have great setups. This looks really cool. It's been a while since I put one of these out. Hopefully this was entertaining. Kind of learned a little bit about the route between Crown King and Prescott. I know it was entertaining for me. And a little bit of camping. So, hopefully it won't be as long until I put the next one out. I'll talk to you soon.